Hello, in this video I show you how to replace the manual transmission oil on Ford vehicles with the MTX-75 5-speed manual transmission. This transmission is used in many Ford vehicles, and the procedure to replace the transmission oil is the same on all cars using this transmission. To get access to the transmission, first we're going to remove the engine under tray. Now we have access to the transmission. This is the transmission right there. This is the filler plug right there, and the drain plug is here on the side of the transmission. It's located right there. Before draining the oil from the transmission, first I'm going to open the filler plug so that I'm sure that after I drain the oil I'll be able to fill it back in. So first I'm going to open the filler plug just to see if it opens. If it opens, then I'm going to put it back on, and then I'm going to open the drain plug and drain the oil. Next I'm going to drain the oil. To drain the oil I'm going to use this Allen key size 8. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the drain plug out, and now I'm going to wait for all the oil to drain. Once all the oil drains, I'm going to put the drain plug back on and tighten it. Next I'll show you in the service manual the oil specification and oil capacities for this transmission. This transmission requires 1.9 liters of oil, the grade is 75W, and this is the classification. Next I'm going to open the filler plug and start putting the oil in. This is the pump that I'm going to be using. The hose I'm going to put into the filler hole, and the pump I'm going to put into my bottle. And this is the transmission oil that I'm going to use to fill in the transmission. So now I'm going to start pumping the oil in, and when the oil level is at maximum level, oil starts flowing from the filler hole. I'm going to continue to pump until I see that there's some oil coming out, and then I'm going to remove my hose and I'll see if the oil will start flowing. Now I think it's full. You can see now I removed my hose and oil started flowing from the filler hole. I'm going to wait until there is a steady small flow from the filler hole, and then I can put the filler plug back on and tighten it. Here we can see there's still a little bit more flow than needed. I'm going to wait for it a little bit more just to get smaller flow, and now I'm going to put the filler plug back on. Now I'm going to tighten the filler plug, and then I'm done with replacing the transmission oil on this car. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.